Technology does not stand still, and Subaru continues to push the envelope in car connectivity with an all-new infotainment system. Welcome to the series of videos about your dual 7-inch infotainment system. If you need further information, please refer to the Multimedia System Manual or download a digital PDF copy from the Owner's Resource section of Subaru.ca. Topics in this video series include controls, settings, radio, apps, media, phone, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. So let's get started with this video's topic: controls. As we go through this video, you may notice redundancies specific to accessing some of the settings. This is intentional as it increases ease of use. The dual 7-inch infotainment unit consists of 2 touchscreens, 10 hard buttons, and 2 dials. These buttons include your hazard lights, front and rear defrost, temperature controls, radio, media, home, phone, and apps button. To the left of the display is a push-button dial that controls volume levels and system power. On the far right of the display is the tuning or scroll dial that can be used as a shortcut to audio settings. This is important to recognize, as Subaru has done a great job balancing hard and soft touch buttons. The highly used or safety-specific functions are still hard buttons, as we are currently used to. This allows for easy access without taking your eyes off the road. The other controls have been transitioned into the brand new display. These soft touch controls, as you will see in these modules, are easy to navigate and fit seamlessly into the driver's daily use. On the steering wheel, there are 3 additional controls that include reverse seek, forward seek, source, and volume. Below are 2 more buttons for voice activation and mobile phone control. The voice activation button controls any voice command, whether through the in-car system, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto. These steering wheel controls again emphasize Subaru's focus on safety and easy-to-use infotainment controls. It is important to note that you can use the source button on the steering wheel to cycle through the available media types. Within the display, you will find several control options: X mode, if equipped, vehicle control, driving assistance, others, car settings, driving statistics, and maintenance. You can turn on or off X mode if equipped. In vehicle control, you are able to turn on or off vehicle dynamics control and auto vehicle hold. Under driving assistance, you are able to turn on or off eyesight's pre-collision braking and lane departure warning function. Under other, you can adjust eyesight's cruise control acceleration characteristics and warning volume, change the units from kilometers per hour to miles per hour, and turn on or off auto start-stop. Next, you have car settings. Here, adjustments can be made to a number of other eyesight safety features. These include pre-collision braking, lane departure prevention, and a number of other assist features. You can then adjust settings within the Eyesight Assist monitor, the keyless entry system, defogger, interior lighting, and other important car settings that pertain to everyday use. Under driving statistics, you are able to see your steering angle, vehicle posture, and running condition. For functions that are operating, the indicator will illuminate or flash. Finally, under maintenance, you are able to monitor your engine oil, tire pressure, oil filter life, and maintenance schedule. You can set reminders, such as for changing the oil filter or for regular maintenance. If you select Add to Shortcuts on the display, you are able to add a shortcut that pertains to radio, media, phone, apps, and settings. Within each of these options are subsections to ensure customization. For instance, if there was a setting or radio station you wanted to immediately go to without navigating through the screens, you can add that to your home screen. You can customize the layout of this screen by holding down on one of the applications for 3 seconds. The display will then go into edit mode, and you can move around the icons or remove any of the shortcuts you've made by moving the icon to the bottom of the screen. To stop editing, simply press the Home button. At the top is a status bar. Here, you will find a person icon, which is used for switching driver profiles. Through this menu, you can edit and add up to 5 different profiles. This includes the preferred language, name, and the device connected. Beside that, you find the outside temperature. And to the right of that, when connected, your smartphone's battery and cellular signal. This display will show no matter what screen you navigate to. Climate controls have now been integrated, for the most part, into the display. Here you will find our climate control options, where you can turn climate control on or off, turn on or off AC, and change the fan speed. If you select the image showing where the air is being sent, a pop-up menu will appear. Here, you will be able to turn on or off the auto function, in-cabin circulation, the fan speed, and where the air is being delivered throughout the cabin. To make larger adjustment changes, select the temperature to the lower right. Here, you can also control the front heated seats. To the right of the display, you have two hard buttons that allow smaller incremental changes to the temperature. Front and rear defrost can be found to the left of the display. This concludes the how-to guide Controls for the dual 7-inch infotainment system. We hope you enjoyed the video and better understand Subaru's all-new infotainment system.